Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool amazing part right here in my hand. If you guys can see, basically what it is a case for the brand new iPad Air 4. If you guys are trying to look for a very nice case that also can work as a stand when you guys are watching stuff on your iPad Air, then this is a really cool product to have. For this one in particular, it'll fit like the iPad Pro or the iPad Air 4. And they actually have a lot of different color options, so you can choose whatever you guys want to. The one they got right here is the rose gold, so let's open up and see what it looks like first. So the material on here actually looks amazing and feels really nice. They use this kind of like premium synthetic leather on here, which is pretty nice. The back part on the actual case itself, where it holds the iPad Air itself, it's like a soft shell or like a soft TPU kind of material. So that way if it does drop on the ground or something, it won't crack as easy as like the hard shell kind of material. And also the fact that it's also more like drop protected or drop proof in a way, and also it has more shock absorbance on here. So let's open up and see what the inside looks like. So when you guys open the product itself, this is basically what it looks like. So I have the protective layer right here. They have a little thank you card right here. And then this is what the inside looks like, you can see. So this is soft shell that I mentioned, but the material that they use inside here, like a soft microfiber lining material. That way it feels really nice when you guys actually use the product itself, especially if you guys want to use it as like a stand, if you guys want to watch videos or whatever. And obviously, since it's like a soft shell material and it's like a TPU material, it's like really flexible, as you can see. So that's definitely really cool. But let's actually apply on the actual iPad Air itself and see what it looks like first. Alright, so we got an iPad Air right here. Let's apply it on. So you just want to snap it on all four sides. So once you guys apply it on, this is basically what it looks like. You can see, it looks really nice. And then the back part, this is what it looks like right here, you guys can see. So the camera itself is not covered, but it does have a little boost on the actual case itself that lifts up a little bit. So that way if you guys do end up dropping the product itself, that way it won't crack or damage the actual camera when you guys use it. If you guys look at it, it's a little bit lifted up so it can actually protect the camera right here. And if you guys look at the button right here, it actually has the plus and minus right here set up for you guys, so you can press it really easy to increase or lower the volume. And then also for the bottom part, you can see it has the opening for all the speakers and also the USB-C output to charge up the product. And then for the top part right here, you can see it also has opening for the speakers right here, but it also has the opening for the button right here to activate and close the button right here, and you guys can use the Touch ID as well really easily. So basically once you guys are done using it, just close it like this, and there's all set. If you guys heard that little snap right here, it's because it has a little magnetic part right here, so that we can close it completely sealed. It's literally fully protected from the top, the bottom, the side, and the middle, and everything. Like if you guys look at the corner right here, it has that shock impact material right here. So that way the case itself is protected for all the corners. So right there, and also the other two sides as well on the bottom. So right there, and also right there. So basically the overall product itself is fully protected, as you can see. And obviously this is not just a case, you guys can use it as a stand as well. So let me try out the stand and show you guys what it looks like. So all you guys really need to do is go like that to hold it up like a stand if you guys want to, like that, if you guys can see. One thing that I have to mention, if you guys look on the top right here, they have the little slot right here open for you guys, so you can actually put your Apple Pencil right here, because it has the magnetic connector right here. So that's basically everything that's on our product itself. You guys can see it's really easy to apply, really easy to use, and everything on here is pretty awesome. And everything on here looks amazing and feels amazing, especially the material that they use on here. It feels super smooth and super soft on both sides, both on the back side right here, and also on the front side as well. So that way you guys have a nice feeling when you guys hold your iPad Air and a nice grip as well. So that way it's like, don't have to worry about slipping or dropping or whatever. Another thing that I want to mention about the case itself is the fact that not only is it drop protected or shock absorbance, but also the fact that it's anti-fingerprint using the case itself, and also is scratch resistant. So if you guys do end up scratching or something, it won't get scratched. Unless if you guys use like a knife or something that's really sharp and just like start scratching like non-stop for like over 1,000 times, then most likely it won't be scratch resistant. But then if you guys just do like small little scratches like this, it should be fine. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that any kind of case in particular is always worth it. Whether it be for your iPhones or any kind of like smart devices, iPads, whatever, it's always nice to get like extra protection, whether it be for like the screen protectors or your cases. Any kind of protection is really nice to add onto your product just for safety, because you never know what can happen. It's always nice to add an extra protection layer on there so you guys don't have to worry about paying for repairs in the future if anything goes wrong. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have used one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have